Hello and welcome back to my English classes. I think you are safe at home, taking care of yourself. Now today I am going to explain the chapter of class 9th Beehive, the fun they had. Now first I will tell you the theme, then the summary of the story, then the significant stages and the characters. Theme. First we will see the theme. The theme of the story is the contrast between the conventional education system of today and an imaginary education system in the future. Means here the writer is talking about the present as we used to go to school, talk to teachers, we sit in the classroom and all, and the system of future when everything will be available on the technology, that means computers. The story is set in the future where children do not go to school but study at home through computers. There are no other children for company and the computer, which is the tutor is cold and indifferent. Now here the writer is saying this thing that in future when we will study on computers, there will be no books, no copies, nothing will be there like that as today's schools. Okay, no companion will be there, no other students will be there. You will be only person will sit and learn. Okay, and the teaching method will also be different on the computers. Two children, Margie and Tommy, discuss the system of the past and imagine the fun those children must have had. Now here, Tommy and Margie are discussing this thing that what the people used to do in the past when they used to go to school. They used to have fun. But nowadays, what is there? They are sitting alone in the class and in the room and watching on the computers. Going to school building, studying with other children and talking to a live teacher means at present as you can talk to us in the classroom directly, face to face, but in the future this all the facilities will not be available. Now we will see the summary. This story is set in the year 2157. A 13-year-old boy, Tommy, finds a fascinating real book in the attic of his house. Attic means in the storeroom he found one book. He shows the book to Margie. It is very different from the kind of book they are used to reading. Means in future when they are learning through computers, this book is totally different from that. The book has printed pages. Means pages of prints हैं, like the books you have. You can say in other words the book or the diary on which something is written. They read it and find that the book is about schools. When they start reading it, they found it that it is telling you about schools. Margie wonders why someone would write about school as she hates her school. Tommy tells Margie that the schools were a special building where students would go and a man would teach, give homework and test all the children in the class of the same age and learn the same thing. Now here he is, while he is reading the diary, he is able to know that, and he told Margie that in the past what the things were there. The students used to go in one building where the teacher is available, one man is used to teach and give him homework and test, and all children in the classroom are of same age. Suppose मतलब 1 to 3 years का difference होता है, जैसे आप लोग का पता है. ठीक है, at present you are going to school, you have gone to school, so these things you can see that mostly बच्चे क्या है, एक ही एज के होते हैं, एक ही बराबर के होते हैं, and they learn the same thing. The children studied together and went to school together. Margie and Tommy only read books that move on a television screen, because in future, that as the writer has given the teaching of future, so they have learned only on television, on the computer screen. Margie's school is next to the bedroom of her house. Now yeah, they don't have to go anywhere. घर में ही स्टडी हो रही है. The school has a mechanical teacher that teaches the students, gives them homework and tests. The teacher is not a human being but a big screen. Now here in the past, the children are able to talk to teacher face to face, physically face to face. But here, who is the teacher here? Mechanical teacher means machine pe. The teacher is a big screen of a computer. Once the teacher developed a fault, Margie's mother called the county inspector, who opened the teacher up and fixed the fault. ना यहाँ पे एक टीचर का फॉल्ट था या कंप्यूटर में फॉल्ट था, तो मार्गीज मदर मिसेस जोन्स हैज कॉल्ड an inspector to see what is the fault. Margie had hoped her teacher would be taken away, but that does not happen. Now, in the lesson, once Tommy's teacher was pushed out, moved out for these type of faults on the computer. So she thought the same way that this teacher will also be moved out, but this doesn't happen. This doesn't happen. Margie hates her school and thinks about all the fun children had in the school described in the book. Now she is thinking about the things that in the past everyone used to go to school, everyone used to have fun during their lunchtime, everyone used to go home and they talk to each other. Now we will see the different significant stages in the story. Tommy comes across the old book. Margie and Tommy have only seen textbooks, telebooks on screens and find the old book with papers and fixed words very strange. Now here Tommy comes across the old book in which the words were written, and whenever he turns the pages back he sees the same thing, but computers में ये चीज नहीं होता है. Second point, Margie is surprised to know that the old school used to be so different. Okay, वो surprise थी. Old schools were housed in special building where a group of students were taught by human teachers. ठीक है, in the past, but in future the year of the story is set in. All teachers has been taken over by robots. मतलब the place of teachers robots have taken, who are believed to know more than humans. ठीक है, because robots में जो भी आप फीड करोगे वही वो अवेलेबल करेगा. Each child is taught lesson adjusted to his or her mind in a separate school room inside his own house. ठीक है, फ्यूचर में. Third point, Margie can't figure out what's there to write about schools. मतलब वो नहीं समझ पा रही कि स्कूल के बारे में क्या लिखे हैं. Margie is scornful about school. She has always hated school, but it has been made worse by her robotic teacher that keeps giving her test after test because of an error. Now यहाँ पे error की वजह से बार बार क्या हो रहा था, ज्योग्राफी में टेस्ट पे टेस्ट हो रहे थे, and Margie was not liking it. That is why she hated school. She is disappointed that this teacher is not taken away but repaired easily by the county inspector. जैसे टॉमी की टीचर को हटा दिया गया था, वैसे ही शी वॉज थिंकिंग, बट दिस वॉज नॉट दैट बिकॉज काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर यूज टू कम एंड prepare the things. Fourth point, Margie thinks wistfully about the fun kids in olden days must have had. Margie seems to hate having to study and submit homework and tests on her own. Now here she hates because everything she has to do it on her own. She imagines schools in olden days were more fun, with a group of children learning together under a human teacher and helping each other out. Okay, ये तो आपको clear होगा, because you are going to school, you know that you are able to talk to each other, you are able to talk to your teacher straight away. We can see that while technology has advanced substantially in the future, it has led to a more isolated experience. Isolated means compact. एकदम एक रूम में बंद हो गए, बस वहीं बैठ के कंप्यूटर अकेले पढ़ रहे हैं. But in the past, this was not there. Everyone used to go to school and have fun also. Developments like access to 1,000,000 books in one device and lessons adjusted according to each student have come to a cost of studying alone and reduced interaction with other children of the same age. Now here, what is the difference? That now means at the time of computers, students have to sit alone in the room, study, though they are getting more material than the past, but akele, no fun, no conversation, nothing is there. Now we will see the characters. First is Tommy. Tommy is a curious and intelligent 13-year-old boy. Curious means जो इच्छा होता है, जैसे जिसको इच्छा होती है हम ये कर ले, हम वो कर ले, हम पढ़ ले, हम कुछ भी कर ले. In the same way, he was a curious and intelligent boy of 13 years old. It is his curiosity that takes him to an attic room of his house, where he finds an old book in which all the words were printed on paper. उसकी वो इच्छा ही थी, तभी वो स्टोर रूम में गया, and he found an old book in which something was written on the paper in the form of diary. He is quite surprised to find a real book, as he lives in an age where lessons are flashed on the television screen and children are taught by a mechanical teacher at home. वो surprise था क्यों? क्योंकि उसके टाइम पे क्या था? He is watching everything on the computer, and he was surprised to see a different kind of book, basically through a software fed into a highly advanced computer system. Tommy shares his discovery with his neighbor Margie. Margie is a neighbor, and they are friends, you can say. And both go through the yellow cricky pages together. Cricky means जब पुराने पेज होते हैं हल्के येलो हो जाते हैं, उसमें टर्निंग्स होते हैं, कहीं से थोड़ा सा फटा होता है, कहीं से मुड़ा होता है. Finding it very funny to read words that stood still instead of moving on the screen. जैसे स्क्रीन पे क्या होता है, आप पेज टर्न करो, बैक जाओगे तो दूसरी चीज आएगी. But in the diary, it was fun for them to see that whenever they turn the pages, they see the same words on the same place. Being very practical, he dismisses this method of imparting instructions as a waste, saying that after finishing with a book like that, one just throw it away. Their television screens, on the other hand, could store a million of books. वो कहता है बेकार है ये, ठीक है? क्यों? क्योंकि on computers, according to Tommy, because on computers they are able to get more information. So he said this is a waste. Tommy has a superior attitude towards Margie and mocks her for her ignorance. क्योंकि Margie इतनी intelligent नहीं तो उसको चिढ़ाता था, उसको परेशान करता था. But he patiently explains to her what the book is really about. But here, while he is reading a diary, he told Margie about the book, that what it is talking about. He tells her that it describes the old kind of schools where man and not a computer. He told him that the diary is talking about schools where a man, practically, physically, man is there in front of the children, not the computer, was a teacher, and where schools was a separate building where all the children went to study. Like I think you can understand that a building which is called school, the children used to go and learn together. However, he does not show much interest in reading more about the schools with Margie. Now we will see the second character, Margie. Margie is an imaginative girl. जो इमेजिन करते हैं, ये होता तो ये हो जाता, ये होता तो ये हो जाता, पास्ट के स्कूल में ऐसा है तो प्रेजेंट के स्कूल में ऐसा है. And she is 11 years old. She is quite fascinated by the old book found by her friend Tommy. She makes a note of it in her diary on the page dated 17th May 2157. Now here again Margie has written a diary in which she has described about this diary in which the past schools has been explained, and she was fascinated, she was eager to know about it. As she and Tommy go through the book, she finds it awfully funny to read the words that stood still of moving instead of moving on a screen. Now here on the computers they see that the words are moving, but she finds it funny that in the diary the words are still. However, she is taken aback and filled with scorn when Tommy informs her that the book was about schools. She was surprised because she hated school. To Margie, school is in Spring, a room next to her bedroom, which houses a mechanical teacher that keeps giving her tests. Okay, अब यहाँ पे she was surprised, she was eager to know about the past school, because here she used to sit in her bedroom where she sits in the room and she learns the lesson next to her bedroom. She describes a big television screen where the lessons are shown and questions are asked as large. Now here she is describing about the lessons in the computer, that lessons are shown and question are asked. Black and ugly, उसको क्यों खराब लगा? क्योंकि जो आपके इंटरेस्ट की नहीं होती वो आपको बुरा ही लगता है. तो she doesn't like school, so she was not willing to study. When Tommy informs her that the book is about the old schools where children went together into a separate building and were taught by humans, she imagines the fun the children must have had. Now here when Tommy told about the past schools where the children used to go, they had a conversation with each other, they had a conversation with the teacher. So she was now imagining that what fun was there at that time when the children must having fun, laughing, shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the classroom and going home together. Okay, enjoying their time. She imagines them discussing and sharing ideas. She thinks of how the children must have loved going to school back then. उस टाइम क्या, क्योंकि यहाँ पे at present क्या है, they are sitting at home, they are learning in one room. But at that time in the past, where children has to move out of their home and go to the building and get teachings and feel sad that the school is so different now. And she is now feeling sad that nowadays, as I have to sit in a room and study, she is feeling sad because she is not able to move out of the house. She is not able to talk to each other. She is not able to have friends according to the level of her age. She is not having physically practical teacher in front of her. Now little bit about the author. Isaac Asimov was born in Russia. Later his family relocated to the United States. Asimov became a professor in biochemistry and at the same time wrote a variety of subjects. Now here he used to write variety of subjects and he was a professor of biochemistry. His first novel, Pebble in the Sky, was published in 1950. He wrote books on astronomy, mathematics, biology, and literary biography. Although he is best remembered for his science fic work, particularly for I, Robot, and the Foundation trilogy. He authored nearly 500 books and won several awards. He has written about 500 books and he was given an award. I hope you have understood the chapter. Please do like and share my channel, my English classes. You can also comment in a positive way whenever you watch this video. Thank you. Take care.